Hello everyone and welcome again to the channel. Today we're gonna work on the boat. We just brought the battery that I charged, so I'm gonna see if actually when I plug it in, if the battery is still good, because that battery was a new battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and check it, see if the battery is good. And we have tropical storm, hurricane, cyclone, super destroyer 3000 Isaias coming. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a strap on the boat. I'm gonna lower the front. I'm gonna make sure that my wheel stops are good, so the boat doesn't go anywhere. I don't think it's gonna be a big deal, but either way, we have to make sure that it's, prepared for the hurricane. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bimini top down, and I'm gonna strap the bimini top with the strap, and that's it. So without anything else, let's go. Okay, so let's go ahead and check the battery. I already put it in. I have to plug it in. To do that, I'm gonna have to take out the tray where we put all the stuff. I'm gonna just move it to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and plug the battery real quick. Okay, battery's on. So let's see if this guy can actually turn on. Choke on. And we only have one engine because the other one have the carbs out, but I just want to see if that engine turns. So here we go. What? No way you already turned on. No way. Again? What? This is awesome! Off because I don't have water hooked up to it, and I don't want it to go ahead and actually do something that is not supposed to, but it's good. Engine is good. We're good. So what we have left for today is just preparation for the hurricane. So I'm gonna put this back in. I'm gonna unplug the battery so the battery is not connected, just in case something happens. So I'm gonna unplug the battery, I'm gonna close the bimini top, I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down on top of the sun deck, and I'm gonna put the strap on top. And like I said, I'm gonna lower the front to the lowest that I can lower it. And basically that's it. That's it for this trip. I was actually planning on taking out the other carbs today to fix it, but since the hurricane is coming, I was told that I need to clean my balcony at home, so I have to go home and clean that. So I don't have time to do this and then do that before today, so they don't give me a fine or something. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and that's gonna be it for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug the battery again, and I'll be right back. once the hurricane happens and it passes through, that it should be done by probably tomorrow, Monday, or maybe tonight. I don't know, I haven't seen the forecast. We're gonna go ahead and actually come back next Saturday and start working on it. Next Saturday, I'm gonna take out the carbs of the motor that just turned on, because I know that even though it turns on, it doesn't move. I'm gonna go ahead, before I do that, do a compression check. Oh, sorry about the wind, it's a lot windy. I'm gonna do a compression check on the engine to make sure that it's fine. And after that, I'm gonna take the carbs out. If the compression checks out, I'll take out the carbs, clean them, put the new kit on it, and then reinstall them again. So I'll try to have that done for next week. So, and I'll take video of me doing the rebuild of the carbs. So if anybody needs, you know, a video on how to rebuild the Yamaha Mikuni carburetors for this one, you guys can have it. So for today, that's it. We're done. We're picking up. We're leaving. Going to the house, cleaning the house. See you guys next time. Peace.